In front of me is Motorola Moto G9 Play, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply animated live wallpaper called Magic Fluids. Begin by going into Play Store and getting free app called Magic Fluids Light Fluid Theme from Mad Scientist Developer. This one. When your app is ready, open it. To mute the music right away, click on the bottom left corner. Then select Got It in the pop-up and tap on those three lines at the bottom right corner. Finally, click on Set as Live Wallpaper and tap on Yes. Now you can click on Set Wallpaper right away, or click on this gear at the top right corner to access its settings. To manage them, tap on I accept in First Things First pop-up and manage all of those options however you want to. You can even click on Presets at the top left corner, tap on the best one for you, and hit Yes in the pop-up. Wherever you decided when you finished, go back and click on Set Wallpaper at the bottom. Last but not least, decide where you wish to apply it, on home screen or home screen and lock screen. When you finished, just close your app. As you can see, after that, my wallpaper was successfully applied. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!